Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create maps for your game using a tile map. Let's start. First, add this image to the game. You can download it from the link I've put below. Set the pixels per unit to 16. For the filter mode, choose Point No Filter. Apply, then go to Open Sprite Editor. Slice. In the Type option, select Grid by Cell Size. Set it to 16 by 16, then click Slice. Apply. Select 2D Object, then Tilemap, and choose Rectangular. I'll name it Terrain. All done. Now I'll go to Window, find the 2D menu, and select Tile Palette. Create new palette. Let's give it a name. Create. You'll choose a folder to save it in. Here I'll save it in the Map folder. Drag the terrain sprite into the Tile Palette window. Here it will ask you to choose a folder to save. I'll just save it here and click Select Folder. After creating it, you'll see the small pieces generated here. You'll select the images you want to use for the map, then go to the scene and draw them in to create the map. If you make a mistake, click the Erase icon in the Tile Palette window and go back to erase the parts you drew wrong. Use your imagination to create your own map. Once your map is finished, add a Tilemap Collider 2D component so your character can stand on the map. Add a ground tag so the character can jump. And if you're not sure about this step, just check out my character jump tutorial video. And that's it. We've finished creating the map using Tilemap. You can also create some obstacles for the character to jump on. And that's it for today's video. I've walked you through how to create a map using Tilemap in Unity. If you enjoyed the video and found it helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.